students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will start reading of block 8. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 43. This is your page number 43. Today we will start block 8. Parts of our body, अपनी body के parts. Okay, we all know our body have different parts like hand, leg, head, neck. Okay, and to keep them healthy we do exercise and yoga. Okay, so beta you have to do yoga for making healthy body. Open page number 44. This is your page number 44. Today we will start our reading from line number 1. We can do many actions. We can do many action. हम बहुत सारे एक्शन कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे काम कर सकते हैं. ओके, वी कैन डू मैनी एक्शंस. बहुत सा एक्शन यानी कोई भी वर्क करना, जस्ट लाइक ईटिंग फूड, प्लेइंग, सिंगिंग. ये सब हम किससे करते हैं? हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स से. So we can do many action. This is possible. Possible. This is possible. Possible यानी कि ये किसके द्वारा, मतलब किसके थ्रू हो सकता है? This is possible. BECAUSE because this is possible because of the DIFFERENT different. This is possible because of the different parts of our body. ये कैसे possible हो रहा है? हमारे different body parts के कारण. Okay, just like when we eat food we use hand, our mouth. Yes or no? So we can do many action with our body parts. Okay beta, so see, this is a picture. Okay, in this picture I can explain you body parts of our body. Okay, so these are body parts: eyebrow, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, chin, neck, chest, stomach, arm, hand, knee, leg and foot. Beta, the portion which or the organ which in this part means this head portion part like eyebrow, ear, eye, ear or nose, mouth, chin, cheek, they are in head portion. Means this total portion is head portion. Head, body part is head. This complete body part is head. Okay beta, and this portion is neck. Okay beta, this is neck. Neck क्या करती है? Joint body with head. Okay beta, and helps in movement of head. Okay, next this portion is from here to here. This portion is chest portion. Okay, and this portion is abdomen. And you told me, ma'am, here stomach is also written. Beta, stomach is inside our body, but the portion which we can see is abdomen. This part is chest part and this part is our abdomen part. Okay, and the complete middle portion of our body means from lower to neck and to abdomen part is known as torso. TORSO, torso. Okay beta, and lower than abdomen these are legs. Understood or not? Again I repeat, this portion, this complete portion is head. Head include eyebrow, hairs, eye, ear, nose, mouth, chin and cheek. Okay, then is neck. Neck joins head to torso portion. Okay, and then the portion in this portion is chest and this portion is abdomen, and the complete torso is chest and abdomen, completely known as torso. Okay beta, and then legs. Okay, now come to line number 3. The head is the top part of our body. This is head. In head we have hair, ear, mouth, nose, eye and forehead. The neck joins the head to the torso. बेटा torso मैंने समझाया ना आपको. torso क्या होता है? चेस्ट और एब्डोमेन का जो कंप्लीट पार्ट है दैट इज नोन एज टॉर्सो. मीन्स हमारे नेक से नीचे का पार्ट और लेग्स से ऊपर का पार्ट जो बीच में मिडिल पोर्शन आता है दैट इज टॉर्सो. दिस कंप्लीट पोर्शन इज टॉर्सो. अंडरस्टूड? द चेस्ट, CHEST, chest. This one is chest. Abdomen. Beta, abdomen and stomach are different in a way. Means we seen the abdomen part and stomach is inside the abdomen. Stomach तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होता है. Okay? हम बोलते क्या है? This is stomach, but stomach is inside part and this portion is abdomen. The chest and abdomen make up the torso of our body. Understood beta? Next. Line number 6. Legs are joined to the torso at the hip. Legs are joined to the torso region with the help of hips. ठीक है. Arms are joined to the torso at the shoulders. ठीक है. हम बोलते हैं ना shoulders से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हैंड को मूव कर सकते हैं. And from the hip joint we can move our leg. Okay. This is your leg portion. Okay beta? Understood? Yes. Okay beta, so we can move our legs and hands with the joint portion. See, in leg portion this is thigh, knee. Okay, घुटना जो होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? knee. This is shin portion, front portion, and behind the shin, calf. Okay, ankle. This is heel. Foot, complete. That is foot, and the portion, front portion is toe. Okay beta. Same in the hand. This is shoulder, and yes, movement portion or jointing portion is elbow. Wrist, where we wear watch. Wrist. That's why we say watch, wrist watch. इसलिए हम watch को क्या बोलते हैं? wrist watch, because we wear at wrist. Forearm मतलब नीचे वाला arm. This is upper arm and this complete is a arm. Okay, these are part of arm. Upper arm, forearm and these are fingers, and this is your portion is hand. Understood beta? Clear? So read this portion at your home. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Bye. Take care.